Okay. So Evie has this cute little gadget. Hmm.
That's what's going here to put the string around it.
Like that. And then press the button. So like this is the little beater.
Yeah.
So this helps bead the stuff onto the strings. Right?
Yeah. Those are just hit around those. I think you supposed to, the pink one you're supposed to grab the beads with so then they don't go everywhere.
It's kind of like a beater when I do your hair. And these are like hair clips.
Oh.
So I'm a little scared with all these little small little beads. They'll pop everywhere and it seems like it's glued down. And you said you want the ones with the letters?
Yeah.
How about, I got a good idea. How about I flip it upside down and just let them mix together? Because they're gonna, if I keep trying to pull it like this, they're gonna pop everywhere. So if I do it like this and just let them mix together, it's fine. And then we just pull what we need. Yep, see?
I think that's how you're supposed to do it.
Yeah, they're still popping everywhere, but not as bad as they would have. Don't worry about it. They're too small. We got hundreds of them. Why would they like do it like this? Easy. Hang on. Oh, it was a little thing right here. This was keeping it connected, that little plastic thing. Oh. If I would have cut that, it would have probably lifted up easier. Oh well. Angel, you want to help us?
No.
Yeah, you do. Girl stuff is cool. Ain't it, Evie? Let's see. So, these are the directions.